What's going on, guys? My name is Dirty Lens. Oh, real dirty lens. What's going on, guys? My name is Jordan with Exotic Whips. Thank you very much for tuning in, for joining me, for watching this episode, for hanging out, for chilling. Thanks for chilling, bros. Anyway, I'm gonna make this one quick because I have a feeling today's project's gonna take some time. Today I am installing this. What's in there? I'll tell you what's in there. Power steering hoses kit, blah, 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 for the E36. My power steering hoses, I believe, are leaking horrendously bad. They're leaking all over the place. So today's project is to fix the power steering so I can finally start driving this thing again. And that's basically it. Well, I need to finish the seat belts. It's kind of important. But I need to fix the power steering so I can get this thing back out on the road and not just dump oil everywhere. So I have a feeling it's gonna take me a little bit longer, so I'm gonna keep this short. Probably not gonna be that much talking. I have the GoPro. I got this guy. I'm gonna try and do some filming under the car because I believe that's where most of the work's gonna take place. But yeah, let's hop in and see what it's like to change power steering hoses on an E36 M3. And right out the gate, I want to say it's probably not a good idea to have that where your power steering is leaking. That's a no-no. No. So it looks like the kit, I mean, it's basically what I was expecting. It came with all the rebuild or all new hoses, nuts, crush washers, fluid, and a new reservoir. So if you guys have been watching this, you know I'm not extremely familiar. I'm not an E36 guru by any means. This is a fun project. I have more experience with other cars, but I've always wanted to rebuild one of these. So apparently a common issue with these is the hoses for power steering kind of degrade over time. This is a 95, it's 20 some years old, so it makes sense that that is a common fault. So apparently what you're supposed to do first is kind of disconnect the, I'll show you. The reservoir is down there. So this guy, just gonna take that out, that'll be easy. There it is. That's a power steering reservoir. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is there's some fluid left in the system, surprisingly. So I believe the drain plug for this is alright, right there. So that's the first one I'm going to unbolt, and that connects up to the reservoir, and we should get some of the fluid draining out. Once we undo that, some of the fluid should come out, and I'll just start disconnecting hoses and letting the fluid fall into the bucket. Why not? The reality of doing builds in your garage. I already need a new tool. I don't have a 22mm socket, so let's go get one. Alright, got the 22. 22, son! If you need a little extra power, torque, leverage, grab the jack stand handle, boom, slide it on, you're good. Alright, so the bolt that holds on the power steering fluid reservoir is a 10 millimeter. There's a few more bolts than I realized. Alright, so we died halfway through, but here's what we got. We got this piece replaced. That wraps around back behind here. And there's a 20 tube right here that you can't see. And then we replace this hose, which goes up into the reservoir. And then this hose right here that you can see, it kind of loops around and then attaches right behind that 20 tube. That's a 19. So that's the only one that differs. And then new reservoir and connected the hoses and good to go. The only thing I will say about this kit, this bolt right here, which is a 10, this pipe gets in the way and there's just no way around it. I had to use an open-ended wrench. Alright, well, so that is wrapped up. If you guys are following this build, you know that I can't start this yet. The battery's not in it. There's a bunch of stuff I'm waiting on. So I'm going to fill up the power steering reservoir with fluid that came with the kit and make sure there are no leaks and kind of just hope it's good. I guess the first time I start it, we'll have to check out for, or be on the lookout for leaks and everything like that. But for now, I'm just gonna wrap it up. Yeah, I mean, it was an easy install. It wasn't bad, just a few awkward positions, but it wasn't crazy. So anyway, guys, smash that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. It would mean a lot. And remember, we have a $100 giveaway at 500 subs to ECS Tuning, which is where I got this part, or this kit. It's where I got a bunch of my parts. So at 500 subs, $100 gift card giveaway to that. So anyway, cheers guys. Leave a comment down below, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys soon.